Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made a video due to a few things in life, family wise and work wise and commitments and so on. Anyway guys, I did say about 3 weeks ago, building up the Rovan 71 again in the Max T. Yes, we got it all back together. Got a fair bit of work done to this engine. It's only a piston port. Spent a bit of time with the crankcases, bit of ramping, stuffing, and modifications to allow flow to the transfer ports. I actually did a base gasket delete on this, which is probably, the squish is probably about 1.5. Yeah, I know it's more than 1.25 because I didn't touch the solder when I went to pinch it. This has got about 2 mils squish on these things, so yeah, there's a lot you can do to bump up the compression. So anyway guys, the amount of work that went in this, that's actually the problems with previous videos. Clutch shoe holder, the Rovan ones are no good. You know, this is the biggest drama I had with the Rovan 71. So I've got a highly modified Zenoa clutch shoe holder. It does all fit and all that type of thing, but you've got to machine the back off it to allow for the crankcase seal, and machine the frontal hook the clutch shoes sit on. I'll protrude out 3 mils extra, so that had to be machined and offset back, so allow me to put my clutch bell and all that type of stuff on there. Anyway guys, yeah, it's a fair bit of work. I still got a bit of work ahead of me. Now it's just truing up the engine, squaring the frame where it should fit. And the other issue that you guys will have, you will eventually have, they tend to kick out the left hand crankcase seal. It's happened to me twice. When you take the seal gets taken out, you'll suck in dirt and you'll scratch up your ball, the cylinder ball. Yeah, do some wonderful things to it. So anyway guys, so I made a spacer. It's actually sit behind the flywheel. Okay, it's about 8.3 in width wise, so it just misses my crankcase seal, so it can't come out when it wants to. If it did, it can only go so far, but I'm not sucking in dirt. That's a must do on Rovan 71. It will happen to you guys. So this engine's built for reliability. So taking the base gasket out will give you a 0.6 more compression as a millimeter. So you take it out, so it's roughly about 1.4, 1.5 squish, where originally it would have been roughly 2 mils. So it's a lot of work that goes in one of these to make it go properly. So nothing's changed much, except put my own wheelie bar set up, Blackbone. Yeah, she's nearly there guys, so it's a matter of make sure the engine's straight, everything all lines up properly, and I will do some updating videos as we get along. It's not that far, you put it back together and start it up, so The main thing is just make sure everything's all lining up. So same time, the black band wheelie bar, whatever, I usually relieve this section here for your roll cage. So I'm running the max type of roll cage, which is this one here. Everything all fits all good. So yeah, so it is taking shape, but just letting you know what's happening. Not much is happening on YouTube, nothing's new on YouTube. This will open your eyes, because this thing actually goes quite well. Just the dramas what I had with the clutch shoe holder, and you will have it. And twice now kicking out the crankcase seal, putting the spacer system in, which I machined it, and I did a shrink fit setup, so you slightly press it on with a little bit of Loctite. Won't have that problem again. So I got about an hour and a half running time out of this engine. The only thing stopped it when it kicked out the left hand seal. So guys, just to let you know where I'm at. Yes, I put the tailor topper shocks on. I don't run the original max shocks. It's a pretty sturdy unit. Yeah, so guys, just remember, there's some method to all madness, and may the force be with you, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm out.